me split it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Watch. Look at that. Just pulled it right out.
Do it sideways so they can see it better.
Watch. Look at that. Look at how much it's pulling. Pulls it out.
Yep.
That's how much air is going by there.
Here's a great idea. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I mean, maybe the downstairs guy was screwing with them. I mean, why would you do this? That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Here's a genius idea I found in the wild. What the hell is this? An air tempering damper. I mean, seriously? This was somebody's idea? Look at these things that fall out of the trees around here. It's not a fruit. We call them monkey balls. Look at them all. Up in the tree. Isn't that wild? Things are huge.